Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable apps access to speech recognition on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Then we go down and tap on Speech Recognition. Now, if any app in the past has requested access to speech recognition and you approve of the access, it will show in the list here. And from the list, you can enable or disable the apps that you want to grant access to speech recognition. After that, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.